This dissolves limescale in just 1 minute. It will shine like new for months, and even hard water won't leave a trace. Dried limescale buildup not only looks bad, but it can also block water flow and damage your fixtures. That's why it's important to act as soon as you notice the first signs of buildup. One of the most effective solutions is a homemade paste made from 2 ingredients everyone has at home. Add 1 cup of laundry detergent to a bowl. Laundry detergent breaks down grease and grime, softens water, has mild whitening properties, and foams well, making it perfect for cleaning many surfaces. Pour in half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar helps soften and dissolve the buildup. Mix until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the affected area, spread evenly, and leave it for a few minutes. Then wipe with a damp cloth. The residue disappears, and the faucet looks brand new. The same trick works on a showerhead or glass doors. If you don't have detergent, you can also use plain vinegar. Just fill a plastic bag with it, tie it around the faucet with a rubber band, and after 30 minutes the limescale softens and peels off easily. Take a foam pool noodle and measure it against the length of your washing machine. Then grab a sharp knife and cut off the extra piece. Slide it into the gap between the machine and the wall. No more missing socks and no more dust collecting there. Quick, effective, and no drilling needed. Your socks will finally stay in pairs. Put toothpaste on a lime. It looks strange, but it works like magic. This might sound odd, but it has a genius use. Grab a few ripe, juicy limes and cut them in half. Squeeze out the juice from each half. Now, squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto a spoon and mix it into the lime juice. Add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent, any kind that's tried and true. And now for the secret ingredient that makes everything really kick into gear. Baking soda. Add 2 heaping tablespoons and watch closely. The mixture will start to fizz, foam, and release a fresh citrus scent. These ingredients combine into a powerful, active cleaning formula that tackles grime with ease. Take an empty half-liter plastic bottle and use a soldering iron to make a small hole in the cap. Remove the cap, place a funnel in the bottle's opening, and slowly pour in the mixture. Add about 300 milliliters of clean water and tightly screw the cap back on. That's it. You've just made an effective DIY toilet cleaner. Now just squeeze the bottle and the cleaner will go exactly where you need it. Use a toilet brush to scrub thoroughly. Wait a moment, then flush. The result? Sparkling, clean, fresh-smelling toilet with no harsh chemical odors. It looks like new, and all you used were items you already had at home. Smart, effective, and chemical-free. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. Use baking powder in the shower. The properties of baking powder aren't just for baking cakes. I'll show you how it can help you achieve amazing results, and it's not in the kitchen. It will help you get rid of stubborn dirt and save you a lot of money. Take a glass container and pour in some baking powder. Thanks to its chemical properties, baking powder can be an effective cleaning agent. Next, add dishwashing liquid. Then pour in the same amount of dishwasher rinse aid. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Once they are perfectly combined, take this mixture to the bathroom, specifically to the shower. Apply the mixture to silver elements. It will remove all water stains and soap scum. Thanks to the baking soda in the baking powder, it dissolves greasy and soapy residues that accumulate on shower surfaces and tiles. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results immediately. plumbers keep this from you. I inserted a hose into the toilet and got rid of the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and emits an unpleasant odor, you don't have to call a plumber. All you need is a regular hose from a dishwasher or washing machine and an empty bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half using a knife. Only the top part will be needed. Unscrew the prepared bottle and insert it into the end of the hosey. It should fit perfectly, as these are standard thread sizes. Use duct tape to seal the connection. Twist it several times securely. Take the other end of the hose. Cut it to a length of 1 meter. Do this at an angle. This will make it easier to use. Take the prepared hose to the bathroom. It will come in handy for pushing in deep cleaning pipes. Insert it into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's deep enough, stand the bottle upright. Pour a cup of baking soda into it. It has a cleaning and disinfecting effect. Shake the hose to make the powder fall to the bottom, then pour a cup of vinegar into it. It will react with the baking soda, creating a foaming reaction. It will clean the pipe from lime deposits. It will flush out the dirt clogging the drain. The chemical reaction will help eliminate the sludge responsible for the unpleasant odor in the toilet. This action will keep the pipes in good condition for longer, and you won't have to use a plumber's services. After removing the hose, wait for the soda and vinegar to drain into the toilet. Finally, check the water, and you're done. Put a bar of soap in the toilet. I'm sure you'll thank me for this trick. But before you do that, prepare a sock. Cut off the top part around the seam, but leave a small piece of fabric uncut. Now, take a bar of soap. Soap has natural cleaning, antibacterial, and refreshing properties. It not only smells nice, but also helps remove buildup and dirt. Put the scented soap inside the sock and tie it tightly with a knot so it stays in place. Then open the toilet tank and place the sock with the soap inside, tying it to the pipe. Now, just flush the water. With each flush, the soap will slowly dissolve, releasing a fresh scent and helping to keep the toilet clean. Thanks to this simple trick, the tank becomes an automatic air freshener and cleaner in one, and you'll have less work when it comes to cleaning. This breaks down toilet limescale better than a hammer. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. This powder tackles grime much faster than anything else. The result is worth it, so watch closely. Just gather a few powdery products, and the buildup will vanish. Start with laundry detergent. It dissolves grease, softens deposits, and cleans effectively. Sprinkle it generously over the toilet bowl. Next, add baking soda. It's a cleaning hero. It disinfects, whitens, and neutralizes odors. It's perfect for fighting dirt and scale. Now bring in some toothpaste. Its polishing particles help remove buildup and restore shine. Spread the paste around the inside of the bowl. Add some dish soap too. It breaks down grime and helps loosen the limescale. Let everything sit for about 15 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then grab a brush and scrub. The limescale lifts off effortlessly, and the dirt falls away on its own. Flush, and that's it. A sparkling, fresh, and fragrant toilet, without harsh chemicals or hard scrubbing.